there.
Wishing you, Harry and Dick,
Thanks, Captain.
only the best. I know you're creating something here that's going to be a forerunner to an actuality. In the next 10 years, we'll all be going for weekends to London.
Thank you, Captain
Captain.
Rickenbacker. And I want to tell you, and I speak in behalf of Dick, my partner, and myself, we want to tell you how much we appreciate and will always be grateful for the wonderful way in which you've treated us and Eastern Airlines and all your boys. And it's with love and devotion in our heart that we leave you. Thanks a million.
It's with love and devotion that we'll watch you. Both.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Bye.
Come on, kid.